What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's actually like 9 o'clock, so this video is gonna be a little weird, but today was 101, so it was pretty hot out here, so we actually had to work kind of during the afternoon. But check this out. I'm gonna kind of stop this and then I'll go back to when we were working a little bit earlier. And Gilbert was here and he started putting all the gaskets on this thing. This gasket's in there now. These little caps are in here now. We got the valve cover gaskets in there. What else did he do? Oh, our new braided line. Put that in there. Front main seal. Yeah, I mean, he was getting down. And like I had mentioned, while he's doing that, I was gonna start working on the inside. So we got all this taken down. So, whoa, that was a little loud. Sorry. I'll stop this. I'll take you guys back to a few hours ago.
Es que le ponemos empaque, ¿no? A mirar chido.
We are back, and it's time to clean our life away so we can get down to the nitty-gritty and see what we need to do and check the conditions of this. Dang, I didn't even see that. I see a couple holes, but most of it actually looks okay. You know, this is gonna be a what are these called? Rockers replacement or rocker repair. I think it's going to be this video from here on out. If it's not already it, I don't even know which day I'm at right now, but one way or another I'll hook them up together. And I kind of feel like I'm running forward in place because I've been doing a lot and it looks exactly the same. I'm sure some of you guys can relate. And this is looking pretty cool. I really like that. I've always been into dogs, love dogs, but man, look. They chewed up this seat. And that seat was actually in really, really good condition. That's actually pretty, makes me mad. I'm sure there's another way I can say it, but it's frustrating. There you go. It's frustrating, very frustrating. And I didn't think they were gonna mess with it. I mean, it was just yesterday that we took that thing out, and I guess I could have just moved it somewhere else. I was gonna put it up here. I just thought it was gonna be overkill to just keep piling stuff up on here, but It looks like I need to move it somewhere else, but enough of that. I just have to deal with it and go with the flow. So I got the shop vac hooked up, ready to go. It's gonna get kind of noisy, so when I get back with you guys, this will look a lot cleaner. And then I'll have to degrease it. I'll let the degreaser sit on here for a little bit, and we'll pressure wash this whole inside and start with a clean slate so we can get it fixed. Look what it's cruise ride for California. Starting to see a bunch of little things in here. These truck drivers used to ride on these walls. Something about something of something. I don't know what that says, but I don't know if I want to know what it says on there. Starting to see some really cool stickers and stuff in here. I didn't notice this. That's pretty cool. A little gun rack in here. But let's get to cleaning. Gotta head down to the store real quick and pick up the power. And it's coming along, man. I mean, it's a lot of cleaning, but check it out. So I started with this half right now. Sorry if the music is a little loud over there. Got family over here. It's Sunday. For those that don't know, I don't know when I'm posting this up, but it's Sunday, beautiful Sunday. It's like 100 and I think it's 101 or 102, so it's pretty warm. But we're in the shade. It's a beautiful day, just warm. And all this stuff is ready to go, but I needed to start working on this so we can start doing our rust repair in here and our sound deadening that we need to get done in here. And I also want to be in here so I can start doing the wiring. And I don't want to be getting at it, in and out of this thing, getting just filthy of all this. A lot of this stuff honestly is just oil. It actually looks pretty good in here. It's just oil from the boots, and you know, it used to be a legitimate tow truck, and it was a tow truck for many years. So like all this, that's just probably the people's arms going behind on the back of the seat, or just throwing their boots up there, gloves, whatever. But it's coming off pretty good. And just good old purple power. You know, like I try to say, I don't use too much fancy tools. I just use what works, use what I can find, and I try to use stuff that you guys can go purchase yourself and do this stuff yourself. But got a lot of cleaning to do, the doors and all this. So I'm gonna get back to it, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow or later today. But it's gonna be a lot nicer in here. So I'll take a quick picture of what it looks like now, and then you'll see what it looks like when we come back. Don't jump on that, please. Alright. It's about 3 hours later, but we are looking pretty good in here now. Look. Look at this. A chrome dash pad. I actually didn't even notice that was even there. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that. I've never seen that before. That's actually pretty cool. Now we can see here. That looks good. I haven't done the center section of the top. That was kind of hurting my neck. But we are good to go. All right here is good. That doesn't look too good. I don't know if we're gonna have to replace this or not. But we definitely do have some work to do here. Let's go around to the other side, check it out. Man, this is a lot of work right here. I tell you what, this door is actually really good. It looks almost identical to my door on the 69 there. This side still does have some pretty big rust holes. This looks really good. All this looks good. All the center looks good. Everything looks pretty good. So our job is here and here, that back side, and then I'm gonna see what I can do with that right there. But that's cleaning day. We'll come back, and I need to find the boxes where these replacement panels are at and see how I'm gonna put those on, because I've never done that before. So come along for the ride. And I'm definitely not waiting to do this. Oh man, everything is just cut. Why do people cut wires? Never understood that. I was really big on going to junkyards and getting my parts. Seems like after, I don't know, when I was 20 something, I started noticing that everything that I wanted was either damaged or cut off. Man, that sucks. We'll be back. Keep coming with me. Alright guys, well, I'm about to cut this one a little bit short, but thank you guys for watching me just do a bunch of cleaning. But it's the stuff that nobody gets to see, because everybody just shows you where it's just nice and clean and real nice interior and all that. But the rocker panels is just gonna be like its own video. So if I add it to this one, it's just gonna be way too long. And we're gonna take a little walk over there. I got my son over there. We're gonna set up a little makeshift paint booth. He's ready to paint his mini bike project. As I'm working on this project, my sons have their own project. So we'll go over there and take a little gander of what he's got going on, and come back with us. Until next time, I'll catch you on the flip side.
That's the name. Fueling passion, igniting flame. Backyard hustle, grinding hard, turning rust into works of art.